Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Channel 4 on Amazon Fire Stick. So in order to do that, you first need to click the home key on the remote to go to the Fire Stick home screen. Then you need to scroll through the apps list and highlight App Store. Once you are able to find App Store, you just have to simply select it. Then you just have to search for Channel 4 in the search bar. So on the App Store, you need to tap the search icon and enter Channel 4 using the keyboard shown. After entering the app name, you need to hit the enter button on the remote. In the third step, you need to choose the correct app and you just have to download it in your device. In the fourth step, you just have to simply launch the application. So once the app gets installed, you can see the open button right next to it. So you just have to tap on it and the installed Channel 4 app will now open. After that, you just have to simply sign in into your account, or you can even click on the register button if you don't have an account on Channel 4. Then you need to provide your account credentials and you need to log in into your account. This way you will get access to your Channel 4 application in your Fire Stick. So if this video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.